Lalawigan is first barangay in Sama.
Yeah. But I born in Quezon City.
Where in Quezon City?
RP Quezon City.
Are you single, right? You from Quezon City and then jump to the Lalawigan, Sama, Bataan. Do you have family in there, Sama, Bataan?
They go abroad.
On abroad. Where abroad?
New York.
New York. Me LA.
Las Vegas?
Yes, my
No.
grandmother,
No.
Britney
No.
Spears.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Los Angeles, California.
Yeah. Because my grandmother is going in LA for working.
Your mom.
No, my grandmother. For kiss ng inidoro, cook sa kusina.
It's normal.
It's me.
Abnormal for sure.
Ang saya-saya, promise.
My cousin is in California.
Sa true, mama?
Salinas, California, she's nurse.
My sister is in Japan, Nueva Ecija.
She married USA, Filipino USA.
Because she working for dancing, for bukaking, for hadaking, or wetsanking.
For short.
Yes. She's Japan.
Alam mo naman na magkakamag-anak hindi pare-pareho ng kapalaran.
Yes.
Meron nag-Japan, may nag-abot sa Arabo, meron nagpunta sa Australia, may nagpunta sa New York.
Sa kanya hindi mama. Sa kanya may nabali.
Yes. Oh, my family is not perfect because my families have drug addict, killer, manyakis, boko, holdupper,
In short,
whatever.
Philippines.
Yes. Each killer family.
Ay, Mark, gaw mo kuna ng picture!
Why?
It's a picture. It's a video.
My
Oh,
gosh!
shit.
No!
Ano ba yan?
No.
Please.
Wrong say. Because not your God.
Call me God.
Kasama ako dyan.
God yes. Huwag mo sinasarili ang God.
Video?
Yes,
Yes.
video.
My goodness.
Papunta dyan. Alam mo saan dadalhin yan?
Sa YouTube.
Nadadala niya sa Europe?
Sa YouTube.
Sa Maribel.
Manonoodin tayo ng buong mundo.
Global?
Yes, you know what is YouTube? In their computer. You click the computer and then type YouTube and then, taran! You see their face in the YouTube.
Pwede makita? Kailan?
Tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
What time?
7.
Mga 1:30 and 35 seconds.
Ayan, naiyak siya.
Ako naman, binidyo din ako sa Manila. Pagdating dito, naka-video din ako.
Kasi your faces look like Marian Rivera. You know what is Marian Rivera?
Ang kalala ang kasi yung face ko si Angel Locsin.
Sa true, mama. Sa true.
Which happiness dapat kita mo, friend? Nakita mo? May maglaga yun. Ito,
Wishing well.
Angel Locsin, this part. Ang tag daw sa gusto.
Ang siya sa banuda. Nasisira hair doon niya.
May ganun pa yun.
Yes. Idol mo si Angel
Sure lang.
Locsin.
O, diba? Kaya
Gusto
gawin
ko
mo
sana
nga
si
yun.
Richard.
Gutierrez o Gomez?
Richard Gutierrez.
Wow.
Tapos si Sharon.
Sharon Cuneta o Cubeta?
Kuneta.
Do you have picture?
DVD Sharon.
Wow. With Cesar, ha?
Yeah.
Bongga.
absolutely.
How much that?
Only 50.
50?
Yeah.
I'm pirate eh.
It's not original.
Lagyan ka ng
Only
epo.
one movie.
One movie is
Yeah.
local. Because there in Muslim, 35 pesos, 100 movie in one
Oh,
day.
100.
Yes.
No, that's true.
No, it's true. It's
It's true.
original.
Oh my
Made in
goodness.
China.
No.
China phone.
Ano?
Do you like coffee?
No hope
Baka
in
may
here.
susunod
There.
na ganyan.
Oh my goodness.
Do you,
Later on,
okay. Pero do you want?
some sort.
Okay. Do you have money? And then go there and you buy coffee.
I don't like. I like
It's
RC.
cold.
RC.
RC.
Tama.
It's so cheap. Because I always drink Coca-Cola every day and every night.
Smile.
Kaso mahal, Coca-Cola.
Sakto.
Yes.
Ako naman, mapanood na natin yan.
Yes, sa YouTube, mapapanood ka ng buong mundo. Sa computer. Do you know what is internet?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have an email address?
Yes. Do you have
Yahoo.com?
Yes. Do you have Friendster?
Yeah.
What is your address in Friendster?
Yahoo.com.
Shot pa kayo.
At sabi niya yahoo.com. Ano? .1.
Sosyalan eh.
www.
Swanee at yahoo.com. I mean-
Swanee.yahoo.com.
Do you have your own...
.com PH.
Wow!
May PH? Yung sa dito? Yung
Yes.
Oo nga.
PhD yun.
Bakla,
You have
nabibidyohan
your
ka
own-
din. Huwag kang gumagal na.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ay, ano, site
Email
pala.
address.
Because my email address is 123 Tumakbuka Street, Tapa. At yahoo.com.
That PH.
Oh, smell ka naman.
Ayan.
Kaya mo yung commercial ng Angel of Teen. Wish happiness. Smile ka, ano? Wish happiness. Sige na.
Oh, baka naman sa papalabas yan.
Sa YouTube nga, sa computer.
Eh, kailan ko makikita yan?
Tomorrow nga mag-internet ka sa YouTube. Smile ka din. Ay.
Iba naman kasi sa computer eh, parang may ano.
What?
Ay, ito daw.
With shells naman? Sobra.
Kilala mo ba yun?
Hindi.
Mga ano yung walang man.
Mga fans natin yan.
Gawin ka.
Ganito.
Do you hear that?
Oo, libel suit. Didimanda ko yan sa lawyer kay attorney.
What is, who is your lawyer?
Secret.
Secret. Always secret your answer,
Protection
right?
for their own protection.
Yes.
Doktora, isumo.
It's good.
Huwag mo sa amin itapa.
Because
Kasi pagka siniraan ka, kung ano
Kechad lang.
demanda mo, libel suit.
in Tagalog, panirang puri.
Yeah.
Yes.
Para din
sinira
tayo
puri
na
mo?
showbiz.
Sinira puri mo?
How much your
Luring
lawyer?
ka?
10,000 service fee.
How many months or weeks?
Pero ano, kamag-anak ko siya, kaya walang bayan.
For what is the 10,000 for the
Yun ang service fee sa Manila, ang lawyer.
10,000 only?
Yeah,
So cheap.
paggawa ka ng mga documents, legal documents. Pero kung ito sa kamag-anak na, hindi naman na kami sisingilin. Tutulungan pa ako. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng kamag-anak.
Swanee, I have a question for you. I think do you have husband?
Mutual understanding.
siya.
He is not virgin actually.
Secret.
Do you have husband? But
I'm
your
not
answer
totally
is
husband, that's MU.
okay.
MU.
Okay.
I sent text.
Are you sure never you touch one
I'm
finger?
virgin.
Okay.
Ganito.
Come to Philippines. I-picture kami na nabasana nawala nasira.
I'm here in Hong Kong.
Kaway ka na, kaway ka na.
You've been to Hong Kong.
Yes, there in Hong Kong.
O pareho lang din.
Kaway ka na, kaway.
Hello.
Kaya yung
Hello,